Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up the Oculus SDK or integration in Unity. So first off, you're going to need the Unity Hub with a later version of Unity installed. And if you want to do playtesting in the editor, you of course also need to have the Oculus app. So first off, open the Unity Hub. In here, go on New Project. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it VR project. And in this dropdown, select 3D URP if you want to develop for standalone. And you can, of course, also select the HDRP, so high definition pipeline, if you want to do PC VR games with better graphics. Or if you prefer the legacy render pipeline more, then you can of course choose this, but for standalone this one is recommended. So I'm going ahead with this and hit create project. While Unity is creating the project, you can open your browser or click on the link in the video description that brings you to the asset store. In here you will have to log in if you haven't done so already. You can just click on sign in and select your Google or Unity account. And as soon as you're signed in, you will have to click on add to my assets. And of course I've already done so I can't do that right now, so that the Oculus integration is added to your assets. Now in the editor, go to Files, Build Settings, and if you want to develop for standalone, select Android and hit Switch Platform. This will take a couple of seconds, and afterwards you can close this, go to Window, Package Manager, and in here at the top where it says Packages, select My Assets. And as soon as it loaded, you will have to select the Oculus integration and hit download down here. I already downloaded it. So after downloading, just hit import. Then in here, make sure everything is checked. And hit import again. When it's done importing, it will ask you to update Oculus utilities. Just click yes. Then in this one, select use OpenXR, hit OK. And then in here, you have to hit no, don't ask again, because if you perform the cleanup action, some files are also removed that are required by the program, and then it won't work anymore. So just hit no, don't ask again, and then close. In the spatializer, you can upgrade that and click restart again. Now the editor will quickly restart. And as soon as it restarted, you have to click in the bottom right here at this little Oculus sign with the red dot. This will open this window. In here at the top, just hit fix all. And if afterwards you still get this message, just go to XR plugin management, make sure to have Android selected, select Oculus, then switch to PC if you want to also do testing on your PC, and select Oculus as well, so that when you press play in the editor, it will start it in VR mode. And now go back down here, click on it, and you will see outstanding issues 1. You can just hit fix all again. Beautiful. And then if you want to, you can also apply the recommended items. That's mostly just performance optimizations for the standalone mode, so that it runs more smoothly than with the default settings. Of course, this may decrease the quality, but I would recommend to do it anyways. Beautiful. And now we're basically done. So if you want to test it, you can just drag a camera, OVR camera rig into your test scene. Delete the main camera, of course. And now when we press play, assuming we have our headset connected, of course, we should, be able to see our headset and look around with it. And of course the controllers are working too. There is just no object attached to them right now, so I'm just gonna quickly add a cube to it, make it 10 by 10 by 10 centimeters, and as you will see, I have a cube as a controller. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments. And bye. What is my normal outro? Bye, I guess. Bye.